Consumer alert.
Supermarket for Carol. Ford's magic door gate swings out like a door as well as down. And
Whatever happened to the family station wagon? It was largely replaced by the minivan. Ideal, it seems, for transporting precious cargo, but will it protect you in a crash like this? In the realm of accidents, where do side impact crashes fall?
Side impact crashes are the second leading cause of death and serious injury.
Brian O'Neill, who heads the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, funded by automobile insurers, says these accidents usually happen at intersections. The side impact test simulates what might happen if a small-sized woman gets slammed by a pickup truck or SUV at 31 miles per hour. These first three minivans come standard with no side impact airbags. First, the 2005 Mazda MPV. O'Neill says all the readings show the MPV's structure collapses too much, allowing that barrier to come right into the minivan.
It's never certain, but certainly there's enough problems in this crash that a person could die in a crash like this.
As a result, the Mazda MPV gets the Institute's lowest rating, poor. O'Neill says the 2006 Ford Freestar's structure collapses even more. And if this dummy were a person, she would be very badly hurt. The Freestar also gets a poor rating. The 2005 Toyota Sienna doesn't come standard with side airbags either, but in this case, O'Neill explains a strong side structure really makes a difference.
Even though this version of the Sienna doesn't have the airbags, that improved structure means that the injury risks inside the vehicle are lower.
The Sienna gets an acceptable, the Institute's second highest rating. Toyota and Ford paid the Institute to do a second test of their minivans.
On-board equipment status, please.
This time equipped with optional side airbags, and both do much better.
This is the Freestar with the side impact airbags. Same weak side structure, a problem. But despite that, the airbag comes down, provides some protection for the head.
The Freestar's rating goes from poor to acceptable, and the Toyota Sienna? With side airbags, the Sienna goes from an acceptable to a good and best pick, the Institute's highest honor. But better safety does come at a price. $700 for the Freestar and $1,600 for the 2005 Toyota Sienna, because you have to pay for a whole option package. However, the 2006 Sienna will have side airbags as standard equipment, and some are already in dealer showrooms. There are other minivans out there whose current models come standard with side airbags. The Institute tested some of them, too. Like the 2005 Honda Odyssey.
The driver dummy in this test records low injury measures, so very effective protection.
You gave the Honda what rating?
The Honda Odyssey gets a good rating overall.
And here's the 2006 Nissan Quest. It earns the Institute's top honor, good and a best pick. All these minivans meet federal safety standards and score high marks in the government side impact test. Mazda is disappointed in the results, and Ford says the Freestar provides a high level of occupant protection in real-world crashes.